Hey YouTube, welcome back to Gil Media, and this is episode 11. Back in June, I posted a video right here on this channel from a Formula 1 race that I went to in Imola, Italy. Come to find out that that's the final Emilia-Romagna Grand Prix potentially ever, and at least for right now. Anyway, that video was not my best editing, and I apologize. Today, while I'm re-editing that and building this Lego set, we're going to talk about some of the myths and truths around Formula 1 for content creators. Now, let's talk about Formula 1 camera policies. On all the websites, it says potentially not to bring professional quality gear. It's very ambiguous. What can you and what can't you bring to a Formula 1 race? I brought my Sony a7R IV in and I showed the security team my camera. They didn't have any issue with it, so that's my experience. I don't know if it's a different gate or a different guard where you might get into some trouble with it, but from my experience, totally fine. I was pretty disappointed though when I got into the race and saw a fan with 3 telephoto lenses and I was just there with my 24-70, but it's totally fine. I got some fantastic content that I'm re-editing right now. Not only did I complete this awesome Lego Formula 1 Williams car, but I also recut the old edit from June. So let's hop into this Formula 1 edit. I hope you guys enjoy this one a lot more. Thank you so much for staying till the end and watching the edit. I appreciate you guys so much. Make sure to give this video a like, subscribe down below if you want to stay inspired, learn something, and have fun watching some cool videos. Anyway, ciao.